Are you thinking about making a website? You might have heard of Wix and Kartra. These are two popular tools that help people build websites, but they're quite different from each other. Wix is mainly for making websites. It's easy to use and lets you drag and drop things to build your site. You don't need to know how to code. Wix is great for small businesses, artists, and people who want a simple website. Kartra, on the other hand, is more than just a website builder. It's a complete toolkit for online businesses. With Kartra, you can make landing pages, send emails, and even sell products. By the end, you'll know which one might be better for you.
Wix is all about making website creation easy. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Wix gives you templates to start with. You can then change these templates to fit your needs. It's like putting together a puzzle, but you get to make the pieces look how you want. One of the best things about Wix is how many design options it has. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts with just a few clicks. Wix also lets you add features like contact forms, photo galleries, and even online stores. All of this is done through a simple drag-and-drop system. You can make a basic website for free, but if you want your own web address or to remove Wix ads, you'll need to pay for a plan. Wix handles hosting and security so you can focus on design and content.
Wix has grown a lot since it started in 2006. As of 2024, Wix has over 200 million users worldwide. These users have created millions of websites using Wix. Wix is used in many countries. In fact, you can use Wix in 190 different languages. This means people all over the world can make websites in their own language. Wix is especially popular in the United States, Brazil, and Russia. When it comes to money, Wix is doing well. In 2023, Wix made over $1.5 billion in revenue. This shows that many people are willing to pay for Wix's services. Over 500,000 online stores have been created with Wix. This shows that Wix can handle more than just simple websites.
Section 4, Kartra, the all-in-one business tool. Now let's talk about Kartra. Kartra is different from Wix because it's more than just a website builder. It's a complete system for running an online business. With Kartra, you can make websites, but you can also do much more. You can send emails, manage customers, and even run online courses.
One of the best things about Kartra is that everything works together. For example, if someone buys something from your Kartra website, they're automatically added to your email list. This saves you time because you don't have to use different tools for different tasks. Kartra is great for people who want to sell products or services online. It has features like shopping carts and payment processing built in. While Kartra has many features, it can be more complex to use than Wix. Kartra also costs more than Wix, but for many businesses, the extra features are worth the price.
Section 5, which one should you choose? So which is better, Wix or Kartra? The answer depends on what you need. Let's sum up the main points to help you decide. Wix is great if you want a simple, good-looking website. It's easy to use and doesn't cost much. If you're a small business owner, an artist, or just want a personal website, Wix might be perfect for you. Kartra, on the other hand, is better if you're running a bigger online business. If you want to sell products, run online courses, or need advanced marketing tools, Kartra could be the right choice. It's more expensive than Wix, but it offers many more features. Kartra can replace several other tools you might be using. Remember, both Wix and Kartra have free trials. You can try them out before you decide. This is a good way to see which one feels right for you. In the end, the best choice is the one that helps you achieve your goals. Good luck with your new website or online business.